Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. This classic adventure invites you to guide Mario through vibrant worlds, collecting 100 coins for an extra life. You'll master basic movements like running and jumping, essential for navigating the many challenges ahead. Get ready to stomp on Goombas, avoid piranha plants, and discover hidden pathways. It's a fantastic journey for both new players and seasoned veterans alike, offering hours of engaging fun. Power-ups are key to success in New Super Mario Bros. The Super Mushroom transforms Mario, allowing him to take an extra hit. Grab a fire flower to hurl fireballs at foes, clearing your path with ease. For a burst of invincibility, snag a superstar and dash through enemies without harm. Don't forget the Mini Mushroom, which shrinks Mario to 1/2 his normal size, letting him access tiny pipes and secret areas. Each level in New Super Mario Bros. Is packed with secrets waiting to be found. Look for invisible blocks and alternate routes that can lead to valuable items or shortcuts. Collecting 3-star coins in every stage is crucial for unlocking new paths and challenging bonus levels on the world map. Master advanced moves like the wall jump and ground pound to reach tricky spots and defeat tougher enemies, including the formidable bosses. New Super Mario Bros. Offers fantastic multiplayer action for up to 4 players. You can team up to tackle levels cooperatively, helping each other reach the flagpole or engage in friendly competition. Strategic use of power-ups becomes even more important. You might share a super mushroom or even steal one from a rival. Practice your timing for jumps and attacks to become a master, whether playing solo or with friends, ensuring endless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.